Hello guys, today we have this building blocks gun set. We're gonna go ahead and put it together and we're also gonna play with it.
Let's go.
On the back of the box, it does show a description of everything that's included and even how big it is. It's gonna be 108 centimeters, that's about a meter, about this long right here. I don't know, it's gonna be big. And it also includes some bullets, which, toy bullets, of course. It includes a scope, and it shows you all the parts for this sniper gun rifle. Let's go ahead and build it. This is the final result for the sniper rifle. It is a very nice rifle. You can actually just play with it. You can actually load the gun and then press, and it actually creates an effect of shooting. The scope also works. I really hope that the information in this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.